What's going on, YoUnGnGrOwN family? You know we back in Tijuana, which is Chicas. Shout out to Zona Norte, shout out to the police station. You guys know the vibes. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, we lit. On this episode, I'm gonna take y'all to the swap meet. I'm gonna show y'all how the Mexicans do it in Tijuana, Mexico. Make sure you share this video with the homies, share it with the squad, share it with your tribe. I miss y'all, man. I know everyone's been asking me to go back to Tijuana, so I figured let me go back, let me drop another Tijuana video for you guys. Y'all can check it out. Shout out to my favorite taco spot. Y'all know this spot, right next to Hong Kong. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave some likes and leave some comments, man. We're gonna have a good time on this one. Go ahead and hit that like button right now before the video even starts. Hit that like button right now. And don't forget, guys, we're doing a giveaway this month. We're doing a giveaway. We're giving up some Beats headphones and some merchandise. Make sure you sign up for that giveaway. Go check out the community section. We lit. Let's go.
Está com algo no ar. Dame 5 pesos. Dame 5 pesos. No, 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 eso no tiene una mediana de pepperoni con jamón.
Hola. Pepperoni pizza. Oh, you know? I'm checking.
Creo que no tenemos para quedarse, que siga la música. Le dije, me decía, ya le dije. Me decían que te lo ven chicos pendejos y no me dio todo, no lo ven todo el día, güey.
Yan,
Oh man, you can get the Navy fit. You don't even have to join. She's in. You can get the whole Navy outfit right here. So I had to go to boot camp to get this, and you can get this for the low in Tijuana, Mexico. Oh man, I had to earn mine. You can buy it right here. Crazy.
Me contó un amigo de confianza, la mujer que tú crees
Ayuda, por favor.
Entonces la polla.
No, papá, lo que tú puedes.
No, la cosa.
So, where is it gonna be at? Yeah. I don't know. Okay.
Never stood one single time.
Tidak minggu berapa?
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget we got that Young and Grown giveaway coming up May 1st. We're giving away some Beats earbuds. Works on Apple and Android devices. Plus we're giving away that Young Grown exclusive Young and Grown merch. Check out the hat, y'all know the vibes. And I'm also going to add a $10 Apple gift card for you guys. You can get some extra stuff you want to get. Here's how you get it. If you want to win, the first thing you got to be subscribed to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. The second thing you got to do, you got to join the channel. You got to be an official member of the Young and Grown. We got 3 different levels. We got the Young Grown Tribesmen, Young Grown Warriors. We got the Young Grown Chiefs. Then you want to follow your boy Jacques Wilkens on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. The last thing you want to do, you want to join the mailing list on YoUnGnGrOwN.com so you can be in there for all the future giveaways just in case you don't win this one. May 1st is going down. We're doing a raffle. I'm picking a lucky winner. I just want to do this to tell you guys thank you. Thank you for rocking with me. I want to give back to you guys. Let's do it, guys. Thank you for rocking with Jacques Wilkens, Young and Grown. Aye.